Hi, this is Brett Manasseh from Brett's Old Radios. Welcome to Antique Radio Restoration Video Volume 3. In this video, we're going to focus solely on plastic cabinet repair, repainting, and restoration. We'll start with an overview of all the different kinds of plastics that were used and how best to work with each type. Then you'll learn fantastic ways to clean and polish your plastic radios and to restore a new luster to even badly weathered and badly sun-damaged Bakelite. I'll show you how to flawlessly repair cracked and broken plastic cabinets and how using slightly different techniques with Plascon, Beetle, and even modern plastics can give you even better results. We'll talk about matching some of the more exotic, hard-to-find colors of painted radios and go over a foolproof method of applying a flawless painted finish. Finally, if you have a plastic cabinet with missing parts, say a missing louver on the speaker grill or a big chunk missing out of one of the corners, well, in Antique Radio Restoration Volume 3, I'll show you how to mix and mold and cast your own fabricated Bakelite radio parts. You're not going to see a technique like this anyplace else. Antique Radio Restoration Volume 3, available exclusively on DVD for just $39.99, including free U.S. shipping and handling. To get yours, send check or money order payable to Brett Manasseh at Brett's Old Radios, P.O. Box 51671, Denton, Texas 76206. Or, for immediate shipment, send me a PayPal to Brett's Old Radios at att.net. International buyers, email me for adjusted shipping and handling charges. Your ability to get amazing results in repairing plastic radio cabinets of all types will increase dramatically with Antique Radio Restoration Volume 3. Order your copy today.